In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Xero financial statements. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero and how to generate a clear profit and loss report for the period you need. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Xero organization and that your bank transactions are reconciled. Up-to-date data will ensure your financial statements are accurate and meaningful. Start by heading to your Xero dashboard. Once you're in, look for the reporting option in the main navigation. This is where Xero groups all the standard reports you'll use to understand your business performance. Click Reporting to open the reports library. From the list of available reports, find and select Profit and Loss. This is one of the core financial statements and shows your revenue, costs, and expenses over a selected period, culminating in your net profit or loss. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually under the Financial Statements section or can be found using the search bar at the top of the Reports page. With the Profit and Loss report open, set the time frame you want to review. Adjust the date to the exact period you need. This could be a month, quarter, or full financial year. Choosing the correct date range is crucial because it determines which transactions are included and how your performance is measured for that period. Next, use the available filters to tailor the report. Depending on your setup, you can compare the current period to previous periods to see trends, switch between cash and accrual bases to match your reporting needs, and filter by tracking categories to view specific departments, locations, or projects. You can also choose how detailed the report appears, for example by expanding or collapsing account groups, or showing account codes if that helps your review. Once you've set your date and filters, click Update. The report will refresh to reflect your selections. Take a moment to review the structure. Revenue appears at the top, followed by cost of sales to arrive at gross profit, then operating expenses, and finally your net profit or loss at the bottom. If something looks off, double-check the date range and filters, confirm the reporting basis is correct, and make sure you're viewing the right organization. That's all you need to prepare your profit and loss statement in Xero. With the right period and filters, you'll have a clear, reliable snapshot of your business performance that you can confidently use for reviews, meetings, or planning.